Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili with beans and ground beef. First, brown about 1.5 pounds of ground beef in a large pot over medium-high heat. Once the beef is fully cooked, drain any excess fat to keep your chili from being too greasy. Then, add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped bell pepper to the pot with the beef, cooking until they soften, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, it's time to build the flavor. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1 cup of water or beef broth. Stir everything together well. Now, let's get those beans in there. Add 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed kidney beans and 1 15-ounce can of drained and rinsed pinto beans to the pot. Stir them into the chili mixture. Bring the chili to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, after simmering, give your chili a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper if needed. You might want to add a pinch more chili powder for extra kick. Serve your delicious homemade chili hot in bowls. It's fantastic with toppings like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or even some fresh chopped cilantro. Enjoy your hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.